Yo, what's up everybody? I'm so excited for today's video and I hope you guys are excited too. Today, the GTR is gonna be getting a new mod and this one is kinda special. I've been waiting for this one for a really long time. I found ZLed on Instagram and I saw that they make custom R32 taillights and I hit them up and they're here. They finally came in after a couple months. Before I show you guys the new LED stuff, let me show you guys how the R32 taillights look as of right now. Oh, it's nice out. So as of right now, the taillights have just bulbs and it looks good. I really like the R32 taillights, but with the LEDs, it's gonna improve the look of these so much at night. Let me see if we can see anything if we turn this on. Well, that didn't do anything. Let's close the garage. So here's how they look as of right now. It's just a bulb in there, and the design on the outside of the lens is what gives it that look right now. But after we install the new LEDs, the whole look of this is gonna change. I have absolutely no idea how long this is gonna take, but I'm always ready to learn and modding the car is always fun. So time to go show you guys what the LEDs look like. That's right, you better clean up after your dog, bitch.
Clean up after you, bitch.
Alright guys. Hey! You better pay for rent, motherfucker. Alright guys, here it is. Let's take this out of the box. So these are the R32 GTR taillights made by ZLed. This is gonna be replacing the turn signal lights as well. And this is the harness. And some more stuff that I'll figure out in a bit. These have a Bluetooth function, and I believe that I can change like how these look. So I'm not replacing the whole GTR taillight in general. I am basically gonna be inserting these in, and these will be replacing the bulbs. Let's get started with today's install. All right guys, first things first, we're gonna start by taking out both of the taillights because we can't work on them without these off the car. While taking off the taillights, the mailman came and we got a pretty big package and I don't think you guys are ready for this. Open her up, Kevin. Illiminate flight tags are back, baby. Just in case you guys don't know what these are, let's open it up. These are the Savage Illiminate flight tags. And these sold out so fast last time. This says Savage in katakana in the back, and in the front, the Illiminate logo. And if you guys notice, these are actually a lot shorter than the other flight tags because we don't really like how long the original size is for the flight tags. So these are gonna be available right now. Head to the website, order them before they're gone again, because these take forever to make. They also look really good on the keys. You don't even know how many emails we got requesting to bring these back. I love these. Probably one of my favorite drops ever. So here are the bulbs that I was telling you guys about. These three are gonna be replaced by the LEDs from ZLed. So out here learning something new every day. The R32 GTR taillights are kind of being held on by some silicone. You gotta be careful with these taillights because they're really fragile and you don't want to break anything, and if you break it, I'm pretty sure it's expensive. But yeah, there's silicone all the way around the whole thing, so just make sure you're careful. A prying tool is definitely gonna help with a situation like this. I'm gonna go through and weaken all the silicone and just pull it off very slowly because I do not want to damage these at all. We're busting out the blow dryer, guys. This is what I use for my hair. Plug it in, boo. We use the blow dryer for about like 2 minutes, and look, it's coming out so much easier. Look at that. We should have just done that from the beginning. Look at that. Look at all that silicone.
Oh! You see that?
What was that?
I'm supposed to scratch my face, but I fucking poked my eye. Does that ever happen to you? When you go like this and the other finger hits it?
Oh, you know, quick hair fix up while heating up the tail lights.
Gotta look fresh at all times, you know what I mean?
Working on the car, you know, just gotta make sure the hair is on point. This guy, bro. Car swag level on point. You gotta have the hair swag level on point. You know what I mean?
Both taillights are off. Finally. I think I'm gonna run it like this for a while. Fuck it. Let's not install the taillights anymore. Alright guys, so while I'm working on the GTR right now, the city came and we got another complaint from our fucking neighbors. We absolutely hate our neighbors. They never come to talk to us personally. So we actually went to the neighbor and we asked her, how come you keep calling the cops on us? You know, like if you have a problem, please like talk to us. We're cool guys. Instead of wasting the officer's time, talk to us ahead of time so that, you know, we can fix whatever. And the lady told me like that our cars are driving her insane. And she says that we can't be working on our cars. What do you mean? We can work on our cars and we can be as loud as we want until about 10 p.m. That's what we told her. And she says she just hates our cars. So nothing we can do about it, and the city just came and they told us her complaint. And she says we're like a shop working on random people's cars, but we're here just working on our own cars. So we told the city and he understood. So just wanted to update you guys. Our neighbors fucking hate us and I'm ready to move the fuck out. If you guys can relate, let me know. Alright, back to work because we got to get this thing done and I don't know how it's gonna go. Let's start by taking off this first layer, the gray outer piece, and then we're gonna use the heat gun to take off these two lenses as well as this middle piece. That's it. It came right off. Before we take off the lenses, I think it'd be a good idea to spray these things down because look at that. Almost 30-year-old JDM dirt. Look at these boys, hard at work.
Sanding never stops.
Sanding never stops, huh? We got dumb fuck over here. What are you doing over here?
Putting my pants down real quick.
Oh shit, dash cover?
Yeah.
Cause this fool's got an uncracked dash, lucky ass motherfucking bitch.
Bitch, I got one crack. Fuck.
Yeah, you got one crack down there, man.
I know you too. How's your shit going?
Pretty good.
You know, it'll probably work better if you use a real heat gun.
Fuck you. I don't have one. So, Tony saw my dumbass using the blow dryer for like the past 10 minutes and nothing's really going anywhere. So he said, let's go throw this in the oven. Right, Tony?
Yeah. Is that why my pizza tastes like plastic sometimes?
Probably.
Headlights in my fucking oven.
Definitely gotta blame Sun for that one. Alright, let's go, Tony. Damn, Tony, that ass. Okay. Look at this man in pink laughing right now. This must be a funny ass vlog, huh?
Lightweight? I'll show you in a bit.
Okay. You guys, if you guys want to check out that video, head to his channel. Take it away, Tony.
Set it at 210.
Set it at 210? If I come back and these taillights are done and toasted, at least we got something to eat tonight. While we're letting that preheat, check it out. Here are the lights, the LEDs. These things are sick. I'm so excited to throw these on. You caught me. I caught you sucking your dick, Roy. You a gay dog. Oh, you're gonna act like nothing happened, huh?
You got it from you.
Huh? Alright, I'm just gonna drop it on. Oh, alright.
Set the timer.
Oh. She's ready. We're gonna work our way around this because it's kind of hot and I do not want to break anything. Oh, we got it off. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, there we go. Oh, this is no fun. We got one taillight done. We got one to go. Got him. The second one was so much easier. We just had to heat it up for a lot longer. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use some clear RTV adhesive sealant. Vu had this and it should work. It's all purpose, I guess. And basically we're just gonna basically be using it so that this is locked in place and it doesn't move. So here's how it is as of right now. Fitment is actually pretty good. That took pretty long, but got both of them done. We're reheating it so the adhesive will stick again and put everything back together. There we go, we got everything back on. With the help of Tony, of course, and Tony also went through and helped me restore the taillights a little bit with some headlight restoring cream. I'm gonna actually let the clear silicone dry overnight, so we'll continue this video in a bit. Wait, what up? It's a new day, guys. We turned up so hard yesterday. My buddy Tim,
Yo, what up?
he came to town to visit, and you know we gotta hook him up with some gear.
Let's get it, let's get it.
What car do you drive, Tim?
I have a 3035 Nardo Gray.
Nardo Gray. When I first met Tim, he didn't know any English. We met in high school.
No.
But
This
it's
guy
cool.
was like, speak up, dude. I'm like, dude, I can't say anything.
Yeah, but it's cool. It's been a hell of years now, huh? How many years has it been?
Dude, 10 years.
Fuck,
Dude,
bro.
10 years.
10 fucking
'Cause
years,
I came
bro.
here in 2008. In 2018 now.
Oh, shit.
dude.
That's insane, dude.
That's fucking crazy.
So, Tim came down for the weekend. We showed him a good time. Thanks for coming out, dude.
Thanks, bro.
Had to get him in the vlog. He watches all of our videos and everything, so.
For sure, for sure.
Go follow him. His car's fucking clean. Christian came home last night, got hella drunk, and knocked everything over. So the boys are gonna have to clean up today. But head to the website and cop some shit, guys. Oh man, such a lazy day. We just ended up sleeping all day. But I did put the taillights back together. But ZLeds is closed right now, and we had a couple of questions. The taillights sort of didn't come with instructions. Pretty easily put together. But I sent him an email, and we're waiting on the reply. So we're just gonna throw the taillights in and leave them as is. But let me show you guys what we have so far. Luke's also back. He's gonna be staying with us till AutoCon, right, Luke?
Yep.
Oh, hey, head to Luke's channel. Go check out his new stuff, guys. He's been uploading a lot, actually.
Trying.
Luke's trying to hammer out these videos for you guys. But Luke's also been trying to help me out with this, but we don't want to connect anything to the wrong thing, right, Luke? Because why?
You could potentially blow something if you hook up power to something that's supposed to be grounded, and we don't know exactly what they're supposed to be hooked up to. So the lights work, but not how they're supposed to.
Yeah, lights work right now. Everything's plugged in. We're just waiting for ZLED to reply back. But turn on the lights, Luke, and bam. Oh, dude, it's so bright that you can't even see the LEDs. Let's see if we can get that to look a lot better. Okay, one more time.
The LEDs are always going to blink.
Ooh, damn. See, these aren't bulbs no more. It's all the LEDs are on. And also hit the step on the brakes.
Jesus.
Oh, one more, one more.
You got in to out.
Boom. Yep. So it's going from in to out.
But then this is the issue.
And also, this is another issue that we have. It's blinking way too fast. You can see that it's sort of like opening up every time it turns on. It's supposed to be a lot slower. I think that's called hyperflash, right?
Yeah, so one of those wires gets rid of the hyper flash.
We don't know what this goes to. As of right now, we don't know where we're tapping into. Also, on this wire, there's a ground and a power, but we don't know where that goes either. So, as of right now, we're just waiting on the reply. I also know for a fact that there's a Bluetooth option because the ZLED app recognized the taillights. So, there's a whole bunch of functions and different modes that we can turn on. I'm just gonna wait for another video to reveal to you guys because I don't wanna not hammer out a vlog for you guys. What if ZLED doesn't reply for another 2 days or so? So,
It is Saturday, so.
and it is Saturday. So, we're gonna go to the skate park right now. We're just gonna go skate. I'm gonna have to end the video here. Thank you guys for hanging out with me all day once again. We're almost at 300K subs actually, guys. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time, and hopefully with the Bluetooth all figured out.